Toyota Australia has pulled the covers off its first GR Supra Supercar, confirming a bold new chapter as the brand prepares for its maiden start in the 2026 Supercars Championship. After nearly 1 year of design, development, and sign-off with Walkinshaw Andretti United and the Toyota Australia design team, the Gen 3 specification machine is finally real, and it looks every bit the part. On the grid in 2026, there will be 6 GR Supra Supercars. Walkinshaw Andretti United will run 2 cars for Chaz Mostert and Ryan Wood, while Brad Jones Racing will field 4 additional entries with drivers to be named closer to the season's start. For Toyota, this is more than a new race car. It is a statement that Toyota GAZOO Racing is ready to play on Australia's biggest touring car stage. Toyota Australia's leadership called the reveal a proud moment, tying the program to the brand's long motorsport story that stretches back to the 1957 Mobile Gas Round Australia Rally. That spirit, using competition to improve road cars, sits at the core of the GR badge. You can feel it in the way the Supra sits, the way the bodywork stretches over the wide track, and in the focus on parity testing that will shape how the car races from the opening round in February 2026. Walkinshaw Andretti United's team bosses were almost pinching themselves at the reveal, praising the combined effort that turned sketches into a racing reality. Brad Jones. Racing echoed the sentiment, describing the past 12 months as a rare chance to help build something that will change the shape of the grid. Fans will not have to wait long to see the GR Supra in person. After its Sydney unveiling, the car heads to Mount Panorama for the Repco Bathurst 1000 this October to be displayed and to complete demonstration laps. Toyota plans further activity at remaining 2025 rounds as the testing program ramps up across Australian circuits, leading into wind tunnel and engine dynamometer work to finalize parity. There is more substance behind the show. Toyota has committed to at least 5 years in supercars, building on the success of the Toyota GAZOO Racing Australia GR Cup that has developed grassroots talent for a decade. This is the natural next step, a globally recognized brand, a fan-favorite nameplate, and 2 experienced race teams aiming to put red, white, and black at the front of Australia's most intense door-to-door racing. If you are excited to see the GR Supra Supercar turn its first competitive laps next year, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you catch every update.